process to make the induction sheet for aluminum pot. In the aluminum cookware, the pot normally made by three processes. 1. Deep draw. 2. Die casting. 3. Forge. As aluminum is not possible to use induction cooker, so there is process to put the 4-3 induction plate on the bottom. A very good quality induction plate should be joined into the aluminum sheet firmly and have a better induction function during the cooking. What is the process to make the induction plate? Here we show you. Step 1. From the roll sheet to open the right circle sheet. Step 2. By high-speed press to cut the circle, which is customized. Step 3. Press the right holes. The hole size, the height, and the angle is very important to be controlled. It should be different shape in case of the forged and casting aluminum. We MOSTRO can provide the customized induction plate for your cookware.